Hi, this is just a quick video on how to export your final animation out of Cinema 4D. As we can quickly see, if I do a quick render view of this, I have my cube, my stretched out cube, and if I unclick of this, if I press play, he's got a small little bouncy little animation. So if we want to export out of this really nice and quickly, what we're going to do is go to our render preview, click and hold, and we'll go down to make preview. We can then say our preview mode will be a full render, and then I'm just going to choose these sizes for now. That's absolutely perfectly fine, and click OK. And at the bottom, this will calculate a preview, putting my final render and my animations together. Once that's exported through, I can just do a quick play and preview. Lovely. So if you're happy with that, what we can do is go up to File, Save Image As. I know it says image, but don't worry, we can change these settings. So it says type still image. We're going to want to create that as an animation. Format, we're going to want to change that to an MP4, so it's a video format. And then we'll want to change the frames from frame 0 to 45. That's perfect. And then at the moment, you can see that the aspect ratio is fixed on a display width and height of 320 by 240. So what we're going to do, if we click rescale, we can just click 1920 over 1080. Lovely. Hopefully the frames will stay at 30 frames per second, and then we just click OK. We can also, if we click options up here, which may allow us to, no, that's okay, don't worry about that. And this should just save either to, saying he wants to call it a TIFF, let's just create a name for it, and then click OK. And what that will do is that will begin to save. As you can see, that's loading right there, and this will pop up. So here we go. It's asking me to call this a preview. I'm just going to call this Cube Bounce. And I'm going to save this just to my desktop. Click Save. Once that's saved, I should be able to go to my Finder, Desktop, Cube Bounce, and just to preview this, there we go. There's my quick animation. If I play that again, you can see that's rendered off nice and easy. So that's how you render off one of your exports for Cinema 4D.